Alright, this is our snowstorm we're getting. It ain't super windy, but it is a whiteout. You can see, or actually you can't see. And again, this is just out by my house. You can plainly see no traffic on this road. This is what it's like to have winter in Maine when it gets rough. It's not fun. Hello. Alright. I didn't think I was going to go to work today anyways.
I think we're all pretty much stuck in here anyway.
Yeah. I always record it though.
Yeah, you don't see much snow like this anymore.
No.
Not that I miss it that much, but...
Yeah. We getting paid for it? Yeah, we are. Okay, so we are gonna go down the other end here. This is just out by my house. I don't think it was wise to actually drive anywhere today. I got the next 2 days off. We gotta worry about getting in a little wood. That's about it. This was a shelter here, but it kind of broke on me. Yeah.